Welcome back to part 2 of the Turbo Bandit build. Today we're picking up the cylinders and heads from the machine shop and putting everything back together. APE head nuts and studs are installed, and the bike is slowly getting back put together by the frame. This is just a few clips of me replacing the gearbox when I was inside the cases. Fourth gear was whining really bad, and this new gearbox only had 10,000 miles on it. For the wrist pins, I went with the wrist pins out of the Hayabusa. As you can see, they have a smaller internal diameter than the Bandit ones, so they're going to be able to hold up to more power. For the ring gap, I went with 0.14 on the top, 0.18 on the bottom, and the other ones were already set to factory, and the piston skirt to cylinder clearance was 0.005 inches. Base gasket with Gasaginch copper gasket from Wiseco. New cam chain as well. O-rings and dowels on the head, definitely don't want to forget those, and the head gasket just slots in dry since it's a multi-layer steel head gasket, no sealant is required. Head is on. Lubricate the O-rings for those oil passageways or they will pinch. Cams are in, and at this point I realized that I had fucked up and I had forgotten to install back in the bottom end this cam chain tensioner. I thought it went in from the head, but it didn't, so I stripped everything down, split the cases open, put everything together. But after that was all said and done, it started and it ran just fine. Take a look.
The ladies' hearts are thump, your neighbor's cars are bump. This shit, say they cause a roadblock for 4 blocks. You say call a riot squad, I say poor cops. They don't know.
God, she sounds mean.